Are you too facing issues with the Telegram app? Are you not able to connect to it? Then this video will tell you how to know if the server of Telegram is down for everyone or it is only you who is facing the issue. So let's find out. To know if the Telegram app is facing some issues or the server is down, you have to use a browser on a mobile device. So for that, I'm going to use Google Chrome. And now here you simply have to type Telegram server status. Now here you have to go to the first link that you can see on the screen. And this website is going to tell you that if every other user, the Telegram user, is facing the same issue just like you, or it is only you who is going through the technical glitch. All right, so as you can see, it's written here, user reports indicate no current problems at Telegram. So it means it is only you who is facing the issue with the Telegram app. And in case if the server of the app is down, if the server of this social media platform is down, it will show right here on this website. All right, and you can also see from this graph that how many Telegram outages have been reported in the last 24 hours. So you can also go through this chart and you can also report your problem here by pressing I have a problem with Telegram, and then you can mention all the things you are facing, what the issue exactly are you facing with the Telegram app. So that's one way to know if the Telegram app is down or the issue is only with you. If in case the app is not down, what you can do is you can simply go to the Play Store of your mobile device and make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. So you have to search for the app, and if it is showing, if the update button is showing right here, it means you have to install the latest version to fix that glitch. All right, that's one thing. Now if you're already using the updated version, what you can do is you can simply uninstall the app from here, from the Play Store itself, and then you can reinstall it, as this can also fix the glitch that you are facing. All right, so that's another thing that you can do. And apart from that, you can go to the settings section of your mobile device and then search for the Telegram app. Now for Android device, you have to go to its storage section. From here you can just clear the cache of the app, and then you can try to use the Telegram app again. Hopefully this will also fix the connection error or whatever error that you are facing with the Telegram app. So that's all you can do to know if Telegram server is down, and if it is not down, you can follow these steps to fix the issue. You can also make sure that you are connected to a strong internet, and you can just reboot your device. So these are all some quick fixes that might help you to fix the Telegram issue. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for any issues or queries, you can reach out to the comment box down below. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more tech related content. Thank you for watching.